what happens if you want to update the content users see in the AR LaunchPad app? First, you'll want to click on My Projects in the dashboard. This will take you to your projects list where you can see all current projects on your account and how many times they've been scanned in the AR LaunchPad app. You also have an ongoing number up in the top right corner showing how many total scans your account has had. If you have multiple projects, you can use our sorting buttons to arrange them by newest, oldest, most viewed, least viewed, and the kind of project that it is. To edit a project, click the Edit Project button next to the correct image. This will take you to the project info page, where you can see a thumbnail of the project image, a readout of the number of times the project has been scanned, and the editor module. At the top of this editor module is your project type options. Just like when you added this project, the dropdown will let you set what kind of content you want users to experience when scanning your target image. For this example, we're going to keep our project as a link, but want to change the URL users will visit, so we'll keep it as a link project for now. Depending on what kind of project it was or that you have set it to, you might have a preview of the video, photo, or audio, and a file select button to choose the content to upload below this dropdown. For links, we instead have a text field for adding our new URL. We'll change the URL content to our updated page, and then click Update Project. The project will refresh when your content is updated, and your new content will be available to any users after they refresh the app. Now, one last thing for this video is that you might want to change your project's target image. Unfortunately, this isn't an option. You can add a new project, but if you want to completely replace it or you don't have enough projects left to use, you'll need to delete the current project and add a new one with the new image. To do this, simply click Delete Project next to the project you want to replace. Enter your account's password to confirm this, then click Delete to remove your project. You'll be taken back to your projects list and are now free to add your next project.